We've talked a lot about tracking aeroplanes in the past, but what about tracking the spare parts that have gone out from the manufacturer and haven't yet arrived where they're supposed to be? Well, FedEx have come up with a technical innovation that's going to help solve that problem. Marshall, tell us about this product that you're showing here today.
Well, SenseAware, that is made by FedEx and offered by FedEx to their customers globally, is a real-time tracking device for cargo shipments. SenseAware can tell you where it is in real time, both by geolocation from satellite-based services and LBS or location-based services from cellular networks. The device also has a suite of sensors, which includes pressure, light, temperature, humidity, of course location, and vibration.
So basically, if I've just sent out $1 million part, and of course it's signed for and tracked and we know where it's going, if somebody's tampered with it, can you tell me things like that?
Yes, I can. If you place a SenseAware device inside your package and you set up a journey to let you know if this device has experienced a light condition. If it's inside the box, it's dark. The device will level itself to the dark environment, and if you set up a trigger, as we call them, to acknowledge if the device sees light, in other words, the package has been opened, that could be a security measure or it could be a pilfering situation. The device sees light, it then turns on its cellular phone immediately, communicates that information up to our back-end server network, to the application, and then can notify the customer immediately that their package has been opened.
And in terms of geofencing, that was something that you're doing with this. How does that work?
Well, geofencing is based on geo-coordinates. What we can do with SenseAware is we can determine a pre-routed solution from point A to point Z, or a predetermined geo-coordinate box, per se, around a location or a place in time. So we define that prior to the journey, as we call it, being established for this device, to let you know if this device either leaves that imaginary area, enters that imaginary area, or transits that imaginary area. And again, being real time, if the device senses that, it will then turn its cellular phone on, communicate that alert to you through the back-end server and network.
So as the user that sent it out, I've sent it, do they keep my little box?
Well, you can put measures in place. We have what's called a return box scenario. We can provide you with a box that you can place this device into, and you can pre-label it for the return to you. So what you do is you pre-label it, package it up in a box that this device can completely work within. It can see light alerts, it can feel temperature and all because it has cutouts in that box. Pre-label it so that your recipient has nothing to do other than remove that from the main shipping parcel and hand it back to a shipping service.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.